Don't mind this. This is just like soap because I'm having a breakout. It's so bad. But anyway, tomorrow is MP. My lashes are done. Don't mind the hair, but I tried to fix it. I'm gonna like trim my eyebrows. The nails still look fine, and I'm leaving in a few hours, and I haven't packed nothing. I don't know, I'm so chill about this whole thing, but I haven't packed anything. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. Unless if I found out, oh my gosh, I loved something, that's when I'm on, feel it. But let me just get this done with first. And then, this breakout is killing me. But anyway.
To me said that they never stay. I've been told differences, but I think that is jealousy. I think
those look good on you, right? Yeah, if I'm big.
Thought you all about me. Plenty missed calls, you forgot about me. I took a risk to follow my dreams. When I'm in the mini one, I'm feeling like being. I swear, you can have a baby by me. I've been trapping since 2014. You don't have to choose sides, play for my team. You the one that told me kilo trailer codeine. That's why, hell feel a down, go far. Kilo problematic, I'm the young Dwayne Card. Started off in the trap, now we in the cars. Hell lit, difficult, take it all fast. I'm a twag, I'm just gonna keep it one hand. A nigga richer than me, when I want my hand. We can turn him to a leg though, if you want. Before you pop the crystal, Tomaga Savan. Kahobala 5 pop, Tamaga di ham. Manorega fenti, unana giri han. Twileka oregisa, hena montan. Right there, skull fake, with my circular. I swear, you can never baby by me. I've been trapping since 2014. You don't have to choose sides, play for my team. You the one that told me kilo dollar codeine.
Only you got something special there. It's just you and me together and forever, yeah. Monyana wanga fisha, sifatla go tsaka go santa wisha, yeah. Only you got something special, yeah. And if you down, yeah, just call me down, yeah. It don't matter to me, I'll be right there, say. If you down, yeah, just call me down, yeah. It don't matter to me, I'll be right there, yeah.
I keep an angel around me. I can yagi POP guitar pampir. I got real love for you, I see speed. Wow, but I'm a masala got no speed. I swear, fuck what you heard about me. When I call you out the line, twaga gon' need. I was really selling dope, Zanga got sniff. If a dime residue, Pumula Mamin. Goddamn, you could be the mother of my kids. I remember closing eyes, first time we kiss. You know where I'm from, you can blink and get killed. One false moon, God, it can get real. Mutwag, heaven lunch, chiga sonta. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you, Nagwelonyak. Toxic, better cause you take a mark. Reciprocate, it's a regalo for Taskis. I know everything is all about me. All about lean and all about weed. Hurts when you tell me kilo, what about me? James St. Pass, you forgot about me. I swear, you can never baby by me. I've been trapping since 2014. You don't have to choose sides, play for my team. You the one that told me kilo dollar codeine.
Only you got something special there. It's just you and me together and forever, yeah. Monyana wanga fisha, sifatla go tsaka go santa wisha, yeah. Only you got
I haven't been updating y'all, but we are currently at Stellenbosch or Stilvoning. I'm not sure the name, but we are at the guest house that we are sleeping at, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Like, yo, it's amazing. Right now, I don't know, I think it's like 6:30. People wanna go swim, so I'm in my cute little swimming costume, and I'm gonna take the kids to go swim. But yeah, guys, like, Mpumalanga, I'm proud of y'all. Like, this is amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I've been here before, like twice, but I'm guessing like the side here, Leidenburg, amazing. Like, I would literally stay here, like move to MP because it's so beautiful. My skin is getting better, but this side, yo, get there soon. I'm not too worried, you know. Like, I was darker than this, like. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys. I think before we have dinner, because we have dinner at like 8. And I think I'll see you guys before dinner. And yeah. Hey guys, morning guys. I don't know what time it is, but
it's currently, hold on, where's the time?
You can't see it, but I'm gonna say it's around 6:30 because the last time I checked it was 6:20 something. It's either 6:30 or 7. Yo guys, anyway, I couldn't sleep yesterday. I don't know, my eyes are so big. I couldn't sleep yesterday because I don't know, I just couldn't sleep. And don't mind my tubane. So yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth. I cannot story time here. So far, I had a good time, you know, nice vibes, no drama. That was nice. Today we are going to something falls.
We're going to Francisco.
Oh, Mac Falls. Yesterday we tried to go to Falls, but the roads were just
Bad.
damaged. Like, on a serious note.
Yeah. Wait, but you can do it.
Yo, guys, don't mind this thing here. This is a mosquito patch that is waterproof and reusable. So when you go to sleep, you put this on. You just paste it on your skin or on whatever you're wearing, but preferably paste it on your skin. And that I look so pretty. Okay, guys, let's try it again. This Duke. I don't know. It's it's tired. Should I take it off? I don't know, I feel like I look weird without it on. Wait, let me do this. Because there's a lot going on here. And the shirt is too big. I don't know what size. There's this cheap, but it's way too big. Okay, but I kill it medium or small. Because you have to put it together. Anyways, guys, yesterday was so much fun. I know I haven't been, speaking a lot on my vlogs, but I just don't want to always be speaking. I need you guys to live in the moment with me, like. I can be like this. Don't mind this thing. It turns around like a lot, so I just have to put it back before people go crazy. relax, it does turn around. It's not gonna bite you. You see, my lips are dry because I just brushed my teeth. And I had what is this? Maybe a black cat. Hey, black cat. A blackhead here. And yeah. Let me go outside so I can maybe tell you as a mini story time. My teeth are white. Clean.
Without you, like you, my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, I can't go without you, like you. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you. I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, oh, without you, oh, I keep on running.
Deda bomnyama Isindawela mntama chavako Isindawela mntama chilakona Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe Deda bomnyama Isindawela mntama ploma kona Isindawela bangan bamusa kona Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe Deda bomnyama Isiningi zinte senseka ngobumnyama Groove mama khota buyelekaya Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe Deda bomnyama Isiningi zinte senseka ngobumnyama Groove mama khota buyelekaya Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe Akatilom chaivo wenu Akatilom chaivo wenu Kantika upelini Yeah my love Amilang is for Nella wena Amilang is for Nella weno Akatilom chaivo wenu Chaivo wenu katika upelini Yeah my love Amilang is for Nella wena Amilang is for Nella weno Kanto gupi wena Kanto gupi weno Amilang is for Nella wena Amilang is for Nella weno Akanto gupi wena Akanto gupi weno Amilang is for Nella wena Amilang is for Chavakona Isindawela mntama chilakona Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe Deda bomnyama Isindawela mntama ploma kona Isindawela bangan bamusa kona Amusho muntu wami Yandang fundingaye kalapepe
Hi guys. We are currently oh wait. Sorry. We are currently at the Kruger National Park. Yeah, my face is a bit swollen. I have a rash, but that's okay. Yeah. We are at the Kruger National Park and it's so hot. Like, yo, yashi salana, like, yo, it's so hot. I don't know, they're still discussing, if we're gonna book the game drive car. And yeah, I think they paid already and we just need to go in and yeah. And yeah, let's go see some animals, man. I love me some nature. Like, I absolutely love nature. Guys, this thing, I'm holding it and then like, I'm swollen. That's why I'm even wearing these glasses. Because it's really like, guys, my foot is so cute. Oh, and then the rings. I can't. You can get it. Do you know it's open? Then open. Let me just put my tripod down.
They're sitting in one seat, Guru.
Guys, my outfit is so cute. Like, oh my god.
So the Kruger those colonialism were very clever. When they pushed out all the people here, they were used to remove those, what they call it, amatuna. Food and mountains. So when they drink the water, meanwhile they've got the mountains or probably TB. Drink it here, like buffalo days, the TB and the lion. When they drink it here, chameleon does it. Yeah, sit down. Okay? Don't too much. From there, yeah, just a second. Take you a dinner. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Classic. Back then when I was a new youngin'. Shawty, you were tryna run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. It's the day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running off track. It's a one life, you tell me one life. One time, you tell me one time.
Hi guys, this is day 4 and we are leaving today. People are still bumping. I'm sure you can hear the water, but anyway. We are leaving today and I don't know, it's a bittersweet ending. I'm happy to go home, but also back to life, back to reality. Not so good. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys at breakfast. Yeah, there's nothing much today. Nothing much. Besides me yapping the whole time, but hopefully I will. Hopefully.
Back then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Tell me what you wanna do for me now. Take you down and I will hold you to run my race, cause you run it right there. Run my race, cause you take it right there. I've been down, I've been running right there.